Okay, good morning kids. Solving of as per discussion, illustration number 33, page number 2.51. Starting with the question, we found out that the three partners are there who have brought in capital rupees 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 3 lakh as well as rupees 40,000. On that basis, we are going to do the given question arrangements. First part was interest and capital, which was taken as 6%. But before that, in the year 2018, on July 1, that A had withdrew rupees 1 lakh from the capital. Look at the question, it is very clearly mentioned. On 1st July 2018, A withdrew 1 lakh against the capital. So it would be A's capital account debit to bank account. The reason behind over here, when the capital comes in, it is credited. When capital goes out, it is debited. How much amount was withdrawn? Rupees 1 lakh. Over here also 1 lakh. On that basis, now in the year 2019, March 31st, I shall be calculating interest on capital. It is 6%. But अब यहाँ पर ये प्रॉब्लम है कि हम A, B, C के बीच में 3 बार कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा और A का तो गड़बड़ है. A has withdrew money in between. So his first capital as per 1st April to 31st June was rupees 5 lakh. यानी 5 लाख पर मैं 3 months के लिए 6% पे कैलकुलेट करूंगी. And then on 1st July till 31st March, his capital was reduced to rupees 4 lakh. So till July to March is your 9 months upon 12 into 6 upon 100. So how will you do the cancellation? 0 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, carry over 4 twos are 8, carry over 2, 4 fives are 20. Got it clear? So your first figure is 1250 into 6, that comes to 7,500. And second one, calculate. 00 gets cancelled. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 divide, that becomes 1000. That is equal to 1000 into 3 into 6, that is equal to 18,000. Yani total interest for him was 24,000. Same way, B's capital was rupees 3 lakh for the year. So directly into 6% upon 100. So 00 gets cancelled. 6 threes are 18. That will come to 18,000. And then it is 40,000 over here brought by C into 6 upon 100. That will be equal to 00 cancel 2,400. Now interest and capital is an expenses to the business. As we clearly know, interest and capital is an expense for the business. We are going to pass the expense into. Before that, my next part comes over here. B withdrew rupees 5,000 month as drawings. So B's capital gets reduced because of drawing. B's capital account debit. C's capital account debit to drawings. Exactly right. It would be equal to drawings. How it is? How it is? Now I am going to prepare it as B's drawing to C's drawing. So here he withdrew rupees 60,000. ये 60,000 कहाँ से आ गए? 5,000 into 12 और ये आ गया 60,000. ये भी वैल्यू आ जाएगा 60,000. ये भी वैल्यू आ जाएगा 60,000. Got it? Now next entry as per interest on capital. Interest on capital is income for them, so it will be credited. Sorry. So interest on capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital to C's capital. A का कितना था? 18,000. Sorry, not 18,000. Here I did something wrong. It is 5, 7, 7, 14, 15. So 25,500, 18,000, and 2,400. So total becomes how much? 900 as it is. 8 into 10, 5, 15, 2 into 4, 45,900. Is it clear? How did I do it? 8 into 10. Something calculation? Okay, clear over here? What have I done? Now, moving ahead. Anything other information mentioned over here? Yes. Can you see? This value is credit balance. This value is credit balance. This value is debit balance. अब ये डेबिट होने के कारण ये इंटरेस्ट हम इससे लेंगे नहीं. So I'm not going to take this value from him. So it automatically gets reduced to what? See over here. It is 8, 9, 10, 3. 43,500. The debit balance says that it is a loan. लोन यानी आपको समझ में आ रहा है उधार लिया है. He has taken the loan from the business. Okay, now moving ahead, the next statement. What was that over here? That you need to calculate interest on drawing at 8%. Now I'm cleaning this and I want to calculate interest on drawings. Now interest on drawings will be calculated on B and C. My next part of rough work is interest on drawings. That is 8%. As it is nothing mentioned by A, I am not going to take A, but I am going to take B and C. B का था 5,000 into 12, that is equal to 60,000, and C has already taken 60,000. बराबर. अब is it drawings, annual drawings, monthly drawings, etc. etc. यहाँ पर clearly mentioned है one drawing is monthly drawing and one is regular drawings. अब वहाँ पर monthly drawings होने के बाद भी is it starting of the month, middle of the month, end of the month? Nothing been disclosed. कुछ भी बताया नहीं गया है. इसके लिए हम directly ले लेंगे 60,000 into 8% into 6 upon 12. Basic rule. Nothing mentioned. Directly consider 6 upon 12. Same way over here. 60,000 into 8 upon 100 into 6 upon 12. 6 on the 6, 6 to the 12, 6 on the 6, 6 to the 12, 0, 0 gets cancelled. Here also 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 on the 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 on the 2, 2 4s are 8. 4 6 are 24. 2,400. 4 6 are 24. 2,400. Did I calculate to interest? So how will you do? Here it is an income, but interest on drawing is an expenses. So how will you write it down over here? March 31st. B's capital account debit. C's capital account debit to interest on drawings. कितना लगाया? 2,400. 2,400. So total received is 4,800. Clear to all of them? Is it so clear? Now we need to transfer both of this to the profit and loss appropriation account. How will you transfer? First I will transfer interest on capital. Interest on capital over here is debited. So in profit and loss appropriation account it would be profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. That would be 43,500. 43,500. Next, March 31st, transfer of drawings. How will you transfer? Interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account 4,800. 4,800. Cleared? All my details have been transferred. Now my next part is to calculate the actual or the estimated profit. What is this? Now they didn't ask us to prepare any type of profit and loss appropriation account. तो मेरा तीसरा divisible profit यानी profit transferred to partners भी हम यहाँ पे direct निकालेंगे. Net profit कितना है हमारे पास? Take it down. Net profit was how much? Look at the question. It was being provided to us that net profit for the year is 3,84,000. details what I have explained you. According to the business, interest on drawing is income. So add interest on drawings. कितना है वो? 4,800. So it becomes 3,88,800. Exactly right. And then subtract interest on capital. How much is the interest on capital we paid them? 43,500. So balance is how much? 300 as it is. 8 में से 3 गया 5, 8 में से 4 गया 4. 3,45,300. Got your profit over here? This is my actual profit. This actual profit is divided among 3 partners. So divide by 3. So each partner will get how much? 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Carry over 1. 3 5s are 15. 3 ones are 3. 0 0. 1,15,100 that each partner will get. Now getting back to the creation of partners capital account. Now let's try out partners capital account. Okay, my basic calculations are done. So now partners capital account, this will be my A, B, C. This is particulars. Particulars A, B, C. Over here in this case I will have two bank account and by bank account, right? On April, sorry, before that I will just write down over here date also for you all to reference. Date 2018 April 1. What is the April 1 says that over here? Two balance brought down according to C, we have how much? 40,000. And remaining all the partners according to the date, what does it says? 2018 April 1 by balance brought down. I mentioned it over there before only. Credit, credit, debit. Debit का debit में लिखा, credit का अब मैं credit में लिखूंगी. This was 5 lakh and this is 3 lakh. Apart from that, on July 1 I had a transaction over here. Two bank account. What was my that July's first account? Rupees 1,000. He withdrew 1 lakh. He withdrew rupees 1 lakh for his personal use from the capital. So I did it a debit balance over here. Now moving ahead, the last part, interest on drawings and interest on capital. Interest on capital is my income. So I will write down over here 2019 March 31 by interest on capital. How much did I take the interest? This person got 25,500 and this person got how much? 18,000. Cleared? How did they get this value? हमने बराबर